Russia has invaded Ukraine and the global markets are tanking. And amidst all of this war situation, there's one question that literally every retail trader is asking himself: should I buy puts? Hence, in this video, I'm going to answer that question for you. Also, there's a community of people who believe it's ethically wrong to benefit out of such situations where human life is at risk. So I'll be addressing to these people as well. So stick with me until the end so you know what you need to do in situations like this. And now, without any further ado, let's begin. So let's directly come to the point. Should you really buy puts? To understand the answer of this question, you first need to understand two concepts. Number one, Volatility Index, and number two, the rise in options premium. So what is this? First, Volatility Index. So Volatility Index is basically a meter which tells you the kind of volatility that is going on in markets. Whenever the Volatility Index is high, it means that the volatility in markets is high. And whenever the volatility in the markets is high, the options premium rise up as well. Meaning, in volatile markets, a normal option which would have costed you 100 rupees in normal days would cost you somewhere around 150 rupees. Basically, the prices of options inflate. And this inflation in the premiums of options usually happens on event days like the presidential election, budget day, federal banks meeting, etc. Or when there's some political instability, war-like situations or geopolitical tensions. And when the event days are over or the geopolitical tensions or the political instability eases off, these inflated options come back to their original prices. So for you to make money in situations like this is very difficult. I'm not saying it's impossible, it's very difficult. So let's say for example you buy a monthly put option of Nifty in an assumption that the market might fall in this particular month given the war situation that is going on. For you to actually make money on that put option, markets need to tank really hard and they need to tank in this month only. And if that does not happen, you're losing all of your money. So is it worth the risk? Probably no. But there's another side to it as well, that if you are right and if the markets tank in this month, you end up making a lot of money on that particular trade. So what do you need to do over here? See, it eventually depends on one thing and one thing only, and that is called risk. And this situation is a very high risk to very high reward situation. And if you're comfortable playing that gamble, go ahead and buy puts. But if you're not, stay on the sidelines and keep watching the markets. But if you are punching those puts, you need to keep one thing in mind, that if a diplomatic solution is reached between Russia and Ukraine, all these overvalued puts are going to drop down in a fraction of a second. So my suggestion for you would be to buy puts only of that amount you are 100% comfortable losing with. So now let's answer this question. Is it ethically wrong to benefit out of such situations where human life is at risk, like the war situation that is going on right now? Let me tell you my opinion, yours might differ from mine, but I feel there's absolutely no place for emotions in the markets. If I bring my emotions in the market, I am dead the very moment. It is my workplace and it operates the way it does, and there's nothing I can do about it. And even if you talk about a very normal day, if you make 5,000 bucks, it literally means that someone on the other end is losing those 5,000 bucks. So trading markets is based on the very ideology of capital destruction of mass to give that money to few people. And if you bring emotion into this, markets are brutal, it will take all your hard-earned money and will leave you depressed in ways you cannot even imagine. So my suggestion is that if you are emotional, if you are having those emotions, please don't come into markets, especially trading. You can head to investing. That is much safer option for you. But if you are emotional person, if you cannot control your emotions, there's no place for you in markets. Markets are brutal, they will kill you. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something out of this video. And if you did, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because I keep coming back with such videos that revolve around trading, trading psychology, trading success, trading failures. Everything that you need to know about trading, you will find on this channel. So make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Until then, you guys take care. Bye bye. Peace out.